How to increase Snapchat score 2022. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can increase your Snapchat score. So first of all, launch the Snapchat application. Once you logged into your Snapchat account, after that, as you can see that I have 208 Snapchat score right here. As you can see, there is 208 scores. Now I'm going to increase my score. So now click on the camera section right here. Now select the add button right here, and you can see there is a multiple snap section. Add the multiple snaps on. You can take more than 2 snaps at the same time. So I'm taking this 3, I'm taking the 8 snaps, just like that. Now select the bottom right corner, send to. Now you can send this snap to all of your friends, all of your contact list. Select all of the contacts. Now again select the bottom right corner. Now as you can see, they're sending the multiple snap on all of the account that have select the accounts. As you can see, there are 465. The snap score jumps from 208 to 456. So that's how you increase your Snapchat score. So that is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So guys, I'll catch you up later in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself. Have a good one.